Ever tried to measure inside a complex manufacturing facility? Think low lighting, tight racking, machinery everywhere, and ceilings so high you need a lift just to squint at them. Traditional measuring tools? Forget it. You're dealing with a jungle of steel and shadows. One of our clients had to retrofit a large automated storage system in just such a facility. Manual measurements would have meant shutting down production, bringing in scissor lifts, and hoping their tape measures told the truth. Instead, they called us in to 3D scan the entire space. We captured everything: rack spacing, overhead clearances, floor deviations, with millimeter level accuracy, all without interrupting operations. No extra shutdown, no guesswork, no wasted time. And the best part, that scan turned into a digital twin they could reference again and again, planning upgrades, running simulations, and verifying fit before fabrication. The cost savings were massive. No rework, no redos, just clarity in the chaos. This is what it means to work smarter, not harder, in high-stakes environments. We are 3DS Technologies. Powering precision is what we live for.